Very good morning to all of you. Today, I, Kiran Tomar, Community Growth Officer at Fairgaze School Media, am privileged to introduce Ms. Sonal Srivastav, who is the principal of Fortune World School, for her recent achievement, under which Fortune World School has been recognized as one of the top 5 schools of Noida area. So now I would like to extend my warm welcome to Ms. Sonal Srivastav. Ma'am, thank you so much for having me here today, and thank you so much for giving me this opportunity, for giving this opportunity to Fairgaze as whole. And I'm sitting here today. Now, I would like to extend my warm welcome to you once again. Please say something about this.
Kiran, first of all, I would be thankful to you also for coming here and recognizing our efforts of the school. And as you already said that we have reached to this particular position, I would be like to thank my team members, my management, my all the faculty members here, the parents and the students, because whatever we are doing, it's all the entire team who takes it forward. So we are here now at this particular state and aiming to go again against the reach the skies.
Okay.
Rather, I would say.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you. So now I would like to start the questions. So my first question is that I have seen that you conduct various workshops for the students to give them exposure. So how do you support the holistic development of students by conducting such workshops?
Kiran, nowadays when we are talking about the kids, this generation is a 21st century generation, and we need to have a balance between the academics and the skills. Recently, if you read that NEP document, it is also focusing a lot on the skill development, and the skill development is possible when we are able to provide a lot of exposure to our students. For this, these workshops are very essential. So if I talk about recently, design thinking is something which every child should know, because that is a skill which is allowing us to think out of box.
Sure.
So recently we conducted a workshop on design thinking where the students were asked to take out certain problems around their area, and they themselves were able to research it and then present it. So when they were presenting, the first thing was and they were able to identify the problems, second thing was they were able to find out the solutions, and third thing is they were able to present it. So it's the research based skills also as well as the communication skills also which were enhancing for the students. Similarly, we all talk about AI and robotics, and even some of them say that the jobs are going to be over because of AI is coming.
Yeah.
But our students need to know, no, it's not that jobs are will not be there, but they should know how they can use this AI constructively. And
Sure.
at the same time, the robotics. So these are the workshops which were conducted in our school for the kids of class 9 to 12. Another thing which happens is now when we talk about the earlier times, there was very limited career options along with us. Nowadays, there are so many options available that students also get confused at what to do, especially when they are in class 9th and 10th. The first focus is which stream they should be going. Okay, I would be taking humanities because I like SST. But what about that after that? Or maybe my friend is opting for science, so I should also be going for science. So we also conducted career counseling workshop. We keep conducting them. We also conduct career aptitude tests. So they help our students to identify their aptitude, what is their interest. They should not be influenced by their peers.
Sure.
And then we provide them the entire exposure to what all career options are available. If they are taking science, it's not only engineering or medical. There can be biotechnology also which is available, biochemistry also which is available. So and then we also guide the parents themselves. So when we are providing that kind of an exposure to them, they are easily able to develop those skills, and then they are going to be the global leaders at the later
Great,
stage.
ma'am. Very well said. Exposure is very much important in today's era. So, ma'am, my second question is that I have read about lots of clubs at your school. So, what role has the formation of these clubs played in giving that worldwide exposure to the students?
See, I believe that these are the kids to whom we have to provide a platter, right? Let them provide an exposure. There may be certain kids who are very good in aesthetic skills. They may not be knowing it also.
Yeah.
For that, we have artography, we have our art club, we have pottery. So they are able to enhance their creativity. Let them take that clay and make something. So that kind of an innovation can be enhanced out of it. Then, as I had already told you, we have robotics. We have provided them theater club. So
Oh.
they are able to, like theater, storytelling, they are not only just limited to the stage, they are the lifelong experiences for them. This is able to enhance their life skills also at a later stage. then we talk about the music, then we talk about the dance clubs. We have tantalizing taste, so where the students come up and they make certain recipes without fire. So there also they have a lot of
Oh,
innovations.
that's
What kind of ingredients need to be taken? So if I talk about, it can also be related to the academics, right? It is a kind of an integration. They know the calculation, how many grams are to be added, what kind of a calories will be provided. So if they are coming up with a recipe to you, you can ask them, okay, how much calories are there in this
yes,
particular
yes,
recipe.
yes.
So that is something which we are focusing a lot on, the integration of the academics with various clubs or various kind of the opportunities whatever we are providing to them.
Thank you so much, ma'am. I believe Fortune World School is doing lots of things when it comes to giving exposure to the students. And ma'am, once again, thank you so much for having me here today. And I really feel that other schools would also be able to learn some amazing things from you as far as the workshops conduction is there and other kind of activities there. Thank you so much, ma'am, once again. Thank you.
Welcome, and it's my privilege to be heading the party this
Thank you.
party.